Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
15 to 20 minutes. Keep the cake in its pan and let it cool on a rack for the time the recipe specifies, usually 15 to 20 minutes, before attempting to remove it. Try not to let it cool completely before removing it. Most cakes are best unmolded from their pan while they are still warm, otherwise they tend to stick.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Don't overfill the cake pans. Overfilled pans will take additional baking time, possibly causing the cake to overbake on the bottom and sides while staying raw on the inside. This is how a big cake dome is created by raw batter pushing up in the middle.
Take our lead.
How to keep cakes moist overnight. While the cake is still hot, wrap it with a layer of plastic wrap, then a layer of aluminum foil, and put it in the freezer. The water created by the cake's residual heat will keep it moist, but not too moist, in the freezer.
Take our lead.
5. My cake has sunk in the middle. There are 3 main reasons for this. A. The oven door has been opened before the cake has set. B. The cake didn't go in the oven as soon as the mixture was ready. Or C. There's too much raising agent.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you do refrigerate, wrap unfrosted cakes in plastic to protect them from absorbing any weird fridge smells and to protect them from drying out, and then unwrap it to warm up on the counter before serving. For frosted cakes, chill the cake uncovered for 15 minutes to harden the icing, then wrap it in plastic wrap.
Let's help you make your mark.
Too much butter or too many eggs can make your cake super moist. If you've not got enough flour to balance this out, then your cake can be super moist. Some cakes are supposed to be moist, so make sure you check the description of the cake before making it, especially if you're not a fan of moist cakes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Try this hack. Take your small butter knife or offset spatula and run it around the cake rim to loosen it from the sides of the pan. Flip the pan over the board and the cake should come out. If none of these methods work, just frost the cake and serve it directly from the pan like a sheet cake. Life is short.
Take our lead.
About 2 to 3 hours. Cool your cake in the fridge. Allow the cake to sit in the fridge until it is nice and cold. About 2 to 3 hours or longer is ideal, depending on the size of your cake. If you have time, let the cake stay in the fridge overnight. When your cake is fully chilled, it will be easier to cut and easier to work with.
Take our lead.
If you've crafted your cake perfectly, you might let it sit overnight. That lets the cake cool, which sets the icing and prevents the layers from sliding onto each other. You might also notice that your cake falls apart when taking it out of the pan if it's still warm.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.